Hello children, welcome to this EduSat English Teleteaching program. My dear students, today we will be discussing a very interesting chapter of your textbook, the festivals of Northeast India. Before going to the text, let us watch some short videos, right. You know, India is a country which is very rich in its culture. We have different kinds of customs, traditions. We celebrate different types of festivals, and in our country people of different religions, different castes, different creeds, they live in this country, and we are one having different things, right. So, you see how the people they are enjoying the Dasara festival nicely, right. Now, you see how people they enjoy also the most enjoyable festival Holi, you see, right. So, you look at the screen, watch the video very nicely, the children, the people, you see how the children they are enjoying, right. Yes, look at the child, yes, very good. So, my dear children, you see how we celebrate different kinds of, you see, right. So, the car festival Ratha Jatra, which is the grand festival, is most enjoyable, and you know a lot of people they gather. You see Ganesh Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, Saraswati Puja recently you celebrated, right. So, we celebrate different kinds of festivals, right, in India, and some festivals are very common. All the people of all the religions, all the castes they also celebrate, right. Now, you see the Sikhs, how they are celebrating, right. They are observing their festival very nice. Now, we see how these people of you see, yes. So, the Sikhs, the Hindus, the Muslims, all the people of all religions, they celebrate, they observe their festivals as per their customs. Now, you see most enjoyable. India is a country in which a number of Adivasi people they live, they enjoy their life, and this is one of the very melodious song and dance of Adivasi people, right. So, today we are going to discuss the festivals of Northeast India, right. So, Northeast India, you see the images, right, and when we say Northeast India, right. So, this side is the Northeast India, right, and we will see right, you see, look at the maps. One side is the India map, another side of your right hand side you see the Northeast India, right. So, my dear students, you see the place, this is Assam, you see Arunachal Pradesh, this yellow part Assam, then Manipur, Meghalaya, right, Mizoram, right, Tripura here, Mizoram, Tripura, and Sikkim, all these states they are in Northeast India, right. So, today we are going to discuss how these people they are very rich in their culture. These people they celebrate different kinds of festivals. Every month they enjoy, they observe, they celebrate their festivals, and it will be a very interesting discussion, I think, right. So, we will see, you see the Northeast India, right. This is Sikkim, this is Siliguri corridor, this place, right. This place is Siliguri corridor, right. Okay, we will see what the writer says in this text, festivals of Northeast India, right. So, paragraph 1, the Northeast India is a collective name of the easternmost parts of India, representing both a geographic and administrative division of the country. The region comprises 8 states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. The contiguous 7 states Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are commonly described as the land of 7 sisters, right, and because of their independence on each other, right. So, let me read first, then we will discuss. On the other hand, Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the northern region. It is separated from the northeast by Siliguri corridor. So, it is not included in the land of 7 sisters. Sikkim has happily taken up the role of being a little brother to the amazing 7 sisters. So, my dear students, in this paragraph you see paragraph 2, let me finish this, then we will discuss. The northeastern regions of India is a place of diverse cultures. The different communities and tribes of northeast India celebrate their unique festivals with great enthusiasm and joy. Many of these festivals are based on agriculture, and celebration is not complete without traditional music and dance, right. So, let us see the one note. Region, you know, a particular large area or part गोटे अंश बा अंचल को आम region बोली कहू, comprised form or to consist. So, the northeast region comprises or forms or consists of 8 states, right. Contiguous, touching, next to, they touch each other, means 7 states, they touch each other. Interdependence, they depend on each other. So, out of these 8 states, 7 states we will discuss, 7 states they are closely related to each other and one state is separated from it, right, because the corridor, a narrow piece of land, a passage that actually that creates difference between 7 states and another state. So, we have 8 states, right. Amazing, very wonderful, very attractive, enthusiasm, a strong feeling of interest, right, agraha jota kami kahuche. Traditional, as per the practices or beliefs or customs, paramparika jo ami kahu parampara drishtiru, right. Unique, being the only one of this type, right, माने से भलिया जिनस नथिबो जोटा को आमे कहूचे यूनिक, राइट. सो लेट्स डिस्कस द टॉपिक. द नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया इज ए कलेक्टिव नेम फॉर द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो व्हेन वी से नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, that is a collective name that talks about a region, geographic and administrative division of the country. The region, thus this part, northeast part, comprises or forms 8 states and they are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. So, my dear students, तुमको सब डिफिकल्ट हो पारे ए ना गुड़ा काठुटा मन रखा गोटे सहज सूत्र मुझे कहूँ दुईटा 2 states they begin with capital letter A, you see. Another 3 states with M, A रे 2टा, M रे 3टा, then NST तापर गोटे N Nagaland, Sikkim, then Tripura. So, मन रख जे 2A means Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, 2M Meghalaya, Manipur and Mizoram, then NST Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. So, 2A, 3M and ST, you just remember this formula and you can remember all the names, 8 names of the northeast India. 2A Assam, again I repeat, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, 3M Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, then NST Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, right. So, the continuous 7 states means Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, except Sikkim. ये समस्ते सातटा जाक परस्पर को लागिकी अछंती, कंटिगुअस, दे टच इच अदर, दे डिपेंड ऑन इच अदर, परस्पर उपरे दे डिपेंड ऑन, राइट. बट सिक्किम इज समहाउ डिफरेंट, दैट्स व्हाई दीज 7 स्टेट्स एक्सेप्ट सिक्किम दे आर कॉल्ड लैंड ऑफ 7 सिस्टर्स, राइट. नाउ यू सी ऑन द अदर हैंड सिक्किम इज जियोग्राफिकली नॉट ए कंटिगुअस, एटा टच करूनी बिकॉज इट इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ ईस्ट बाय सिलीगुड़ी कॉरिडोर, राइट. So, it is not included in the land of 7 sisters. Sikkim has happily taken of the role of being a little brother. मजार ताकू कहती जे सी हूँ छोट भाई ये 7 भौणी, राइट. आसाम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मेघालय, मणिपुर, मिजोराम, देन नागालैंड, त्रिपुरा एंड सिक्किम. या भितर सिक्किम को छाड़देले 7 जन जाक होउछन 7 भौणी, छोटिया भाई हूँ सिक्किम बिकॉज इट इज सेपरेटेड बाय सिलीगुड़ी corridor, right. And the northeastern regions of India is a place of diverse culture, different types of cultures. 8 state तांको culture भिन्न. The different communities, different tribes of northeast India, they celebrate their unique festivals with great enthusiasm, with a lot of interest and joy. And many of these festivals are based on agriculture, and celebration is not complete without traditional music and dance. So, celebration means there is traditional music, there is dance, paramparika, old practices, dance of old practices, music of old practices, right, must be there, right. So, now you see the main ideas that we discussed in SCP first part, sense group, paragraph part 1, paragraph 1 and 2, festivals of northeast India. So, SCP 1, para 1 and 2 dita main idea hochi introduction to northeast India and diverse culture, different types of festivals. So, 8 states, 7 sisters, and one is very interestingly considered to be the little brother, and the festivals they celebrate, or festivals are celebrated based on agriculture and traditional song, dance, music, like this, right. So, now you see, so these are 7 states you see, right, and so this is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, then you can say Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, then Nagaland, Tripura, 7 states, 7 sisters, right, and this is the place, right, this is the place, this place is Siliguri corridor, and here this is Sikkim. So, Sikkim is separated from these 7 states, that is why Sikkim is not a contiguous state to the other states, it is not related, right. That is why it has been taken off amazingly the little brother to these 7 sisters. मजार कह जाए 7 भौणी सी हूँ छोटिया भाई, right. Okay. So, now we see northeast India 8 states, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura. I have already told you 2A Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, 3M Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, NST Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura. এই সূত্রটি মনে রাখো 2A 3M NST তোমার যদি প্রশ্ন পড়িও রাইট the names of 8 states or names of the states of northeast India, easily you can write the names of the 7 sisters, only you leave the name Sikkim ताको छाड़ी दे के आउ सातटा को लिखि दियो. Who is considered to be the little brother? Sikkim is considered to be the little brother, right. Now you see northeast India 7 sisters, right, only Sikkim is not here. Okay. So, let us discuss some comprehension questions, so that you can understand these 2 paragraphs, paragraph 1 and 2, the SCP 1 of the festivals of northeast India nicely, right. Question number 1, you see, what is the northeast India? Northeast India is a part, you know, a collective name of the states in the northeastern part of India. उत्तर पूर्व गोटे निर्दिष्ट अंचल जोटि there are 8 states. You see, how many states does the northeastern region of the India consist of? So, the northeastern region of India consists of, you see the answer is 8 states, we have already discussed, right. And question number 3, which states form the northeast India? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura, all these 8 states, right. Next question, which states are called the land of 7 sisters, right, land of 7 sisters? You see, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. These 7 states are called the land of 7 sisters. So, my dear children, we will discuss the next questions, right. So, dear children, let us go to the next question. Question number 5, why are they called so? Why are they called land of 7 sisters, right? You see, they are contiguous and interdependent, means they are closely related to each other and they also depend on each other. So, ସେମାନେ ଲାଗିକି ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଏ 7ଟି ଯାକ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଏବଂ ପରସ୍ପର ଉପରେ they depend on, right? କୋଉ state? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura, except Sikkim. Sikkim is the little brother, very wonderfully, amazingly Sikkim is taken about or taken off as the little brother, right. So, next question, why is Sikkim not included among 7 sisters, right? The answer is very simple, not a contiguous part of northeast region as separated by Siliguri corridor. We have already seen how the Siliguri corridor that separates the Sikkim, the state Sikkim from other 7 states, right. Number 7, what role does Sikkim play and role of little brother to 7 sisters? Eta gote kuha jaye, this is a saying, right. The writer has very nicely said this. So, people they say these are 7 sisters and Sikkim is just like little brother, right. Number 8, how do people of this region celebrate their festivals? So, my dear children, you see with enthusiasm, a lot of interest and joy, a lot of enjoyment, right, should they have when they celebrate different festivals. Next question, question number 9. Many of these festivals are based on dash. We have already discussed agriculture. आमर जमती अच्छी एग्रीकल्चर आम जिते पूजा अधिकांश आमर पर्वपर्वाणी मोस्ट ऑफ द फेस्टिवल्स आर बेस्ड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर अक्षय तृतीया आम देखुचे चिता लगी अमावस्या विभिन्न प्रकार देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स व्हिच वी सेलिब्रेट एंड स्पेशली these celebrations or these festivals are based on agriculture. Lakshmi Puja, you see Lakshmi Puja to Thanksgiving festival, right. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Celebration of festivals is not complete without dash and dash. Without traditional, yes, music and dance. The old practices, the dance, old music, old dance, jahaku ame parampara anusare based on our tradition, right. So, based on their tradition they do this. Let us go to the next part, SCP 2, paragraph number 3. So, blessed with lush greenery and the mighty river Brahmaputra, the people of Assam have a lot of celebrate. Bihus are among the major cultural festivals of Assam. There are a series of 3 prominent festivals, Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu, also known as Bohag Bihu, is celebrated in mid-April with the onset of spring and the beginning of the sowing season. It also marks the start of a new year there, right. Kongali or Kati Bihu is celebrated in mid-October when the fields are lush but the barns are empty. On this occasion, people light lamps and pray to God for a thriving harvest season and to guide souls to heaven. Bhogali, called Magha Bihu, is observed in mid-January. The festival symbolizes the end of the harvest season. It is a thanksgiving when the crops have been harvested and the barns are full, right. Paragraph 4. Any Bihu celebration is considered incomplete without melodious folk songs and traditional dance. The Bihu dance is joyous one. Young men and women get their best traditional attire and perform the dance with brisk steps and hand movement. The tune of traditional musical instruments including cymbals, bamboo clapper, a dhol which is smaller to a drum and the pipa which is wind instrument made of buffalo horn add different kind of flavor to the dance as well as the atmosphere. The songs have been handed down through many generations. So, my dear children, now you see some new words, right. Just try to get the meaning of some new words, then we will again go to our discussion. So, lush, over, well green, lush green, very green, over green, right. Prominent, great, of great importance, right. Celebrated, observed, they celebrated or the festivals are celebrated. Onset, beginning, right. Marks to be a sign of. Barn, a covered building for storing grain, जोटा भंडार घर कहूँ आमे, right. Thriving, successful. Symbolize, to be symbol. Attire, clothes or dress आमे कहूँ attire, right. Symbols, you see the image, आमे जहाँ को गिनी कहूँ बा विभिन्न अंचल भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार ताकू कहती झांझ, right. Bamboo clapper, you see ताशकाटिया. Pipa, you see the wind instrument that is made of buffalo horn, जोटा कि महिषी सिंगर तैयारी करी से माने दे play these instruments. Generations, the people in a family, group or country who are born at about the same time. आम कहे गोटे जेनेरेशन आ गोटे जेनेरेशन पुरुष जो आम कहे आम पूर्व पुरुष मैंने आवर प्रीवियस जेनेरेशंस लाइक दिस राइट. Okay. So, now you come to the discussion. Blessed with lush greenery and the mighty river Brahmaputra. So, due to river Brahmaputra, the people of Assam, they are blessed with this, right, and Bihus are among the major cultural festivals of Assam. So, Bihu festival, Bihu nacho, Bihu gito, Bihu festival, tankar these are their life. Bihus, the festivals, Bihus festivals are the life of Assamese, Assam people. There are a series of 3 prominent festivals, important festivals, right? Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. RKB, you मन रख RKB जमती कहूली 3A sorry 2A 3A एम जमती कहूली सेमती RKB रोंगाली बिहू कोंगाली बिहू भोगाली बिहू. So you find the formula निजे निजे गोटे सूत्र बाहर कर सहजरे केमती मन रखि परिबो. So रोंगाली बिहू also known as RB. Rongali Bihu is Bhoag Bihu is celebrated in mid April with onset of spring and the beginning of sowing season. आमे जमती धान बुणिमा सीजन आमे कहू अनुकूल सीजन अक्षय तृतीया को आमे पालन करू. These people they also they celebrate, right, and this festival Bohag Bihu, Bhogo Aram mane Bohag means Bhogo Bihu, Rongali Bihu is called Bohag Bihu. They start with this, right. This is also based on agriculture, right. So now you see Kongali or Kati Bihu, Kongali Bihu is called Kati Bihu, is celebrated in mid October. October जेमती आमे दशहरा पालन करछे, विभिन्न प्रकार पर्व पालन करछे. October is the month of celebration of different kinds of festivals. आमर जेमती अछि काली पूजा कि दशहरा पर्व विभिन्न प्रकार पूजा रही सेमती. when the fields are lost but the barns are empty, माने जेतले सेतले धान न थाए घर सरी जाय थाए सेही समय एटा. On this occasion people light lamps and pray to God for a thriving harvest season and guide souls to heaven. भल फसल पे they celebrate this. Bhogali called Magha Bihu is observed in mid January. The festival symbolizes the end of the harvest season. So Bhogali Bihu जोटा कि Magha Bihu कहा जाए, they observe it in mid January. The festival symbolizes or marks the end of harvest season. तीनिटा गोटे होची अनुकूल, गोटे होची ग्रीन थिला बेले, आ गोटे होची शेष. आमे जेमती पूजा करूचे अक्षय तृतीया शेष बेलू आमे लक्ष्मी पूजा जेमती करूचे, राइट. मझिरे जेमती आमे चिता लगी अमावास्या कि आमर गर्भणा संक्रांति आमे सब नहीं कि माने भोग बसाए जेमती सेमती. दे also the people of Assam they also celebrate different types of festivals at different times from the very beginning of sowing season up to harvesting, right. So now you see how they celebrate. Any Bihu celebration is considered incomplete without melodious folk songs and traditional dance. Without dance, without music, they cannot complete it. The Bihu dance is joyous one. Young men and women they get in their best traditional attire dress and they put on different attractive dress, right, and they perform the dance with brisk steps, brisk quick steps. खूब जोर रे सेमान नाच करते and with hand movements. The tune of traditional musical instruments including cymbals, bamboo clapper, taskatia, Jhanjo, एगुड़ा सब ढोल, right, you know ढोल in Odisha also we have ढोlos, right, and just like a drum, and pipa is also a wind instrument made of buffalo horn. So these are played. The people of Assam in Bihu celebration they use these instruments, right, musical instruments, and they dance, they sing, they enjoy their celebration, right. You see how nice. This is how the people of the ladies, gents, they enjoy Bihu festivals, right. And you just see, so we have 3 types of festivals: Rongali Bihu, Bohag Bihu, mid April. You just you can make a note like this: name of the festival, the time of observation or celebration, and why they celebrate and how they celebrate. So Rongali Bihu mid April, Kongali Bihu mid October, Bhogali Bihu mid January, April, October, January. Then beginning of sowing season Rongali, Kongali, that is the middle when the green the field is green, and Bhogali Bihu are the end of harvest season, right. and they also dance differently. Bihu dance, they sing Bihu songs and they celebrate the festivals. So, my dear children, thank you very much. The time is going to be over. In the next session, we will also discuss some of the important questions, so that you will understand this part easily. Thank you very much.